Just one. Yeah, just one. I'll probably be here for another 6-8 months, and then.
A 2-year visa, is it?
Yeah, exactly right. And then I'll probably go home. No, I haven't done any of it actually. Yeah, we're just gonna stop here and wait for everyone. No, I thought I'm just gonna come straight to Canada skip school. Come have fun. Yeah, exactly right.
And the snow there, it was so weird. It was so thin, but there was so much powder, but it was really like fine. So you like step in it and you just like go into it.
All right, cool. Feel free to come a little bit closer if you guys want. Awesome. So I was just saying, it does. This is the first time I've ever seen it with snow here, so it's pretty exciting for all of us. So enjoy it whilst you can. First thing first, if you guys you're gonna get cold hands whilst you're up here. So a really good way to keep warm hands is just move your shoulders up and side down. You'll get blood flowing. So if you get cold hands, do that. It looks a bit funny, but it works. Yeah, cool. So a couple of zip lining techniques and a couple of things to go through before we do head out there. Like I said, this zip line is very, very, very different to any of our zip lines. So if you've ever done an Eagle course or any other zip line, pretty much forget everything you've ever learnt, and this is a different one. So the first thing you need to know is that you're about to go very, very fast. Who wants to be my role model? Little actor. Yeah, awesome. you can be it. Yeah, anyone. So this is your pulley, guys. If you would like to stay straight, it is possible on this particular zip line. With the other ones, it's not, but with this one, it is. There's only one way to do it, and the way to do it is by holding onto these black handles. It'll look something a little like this, except you'll be on the zip line. To stay straight, you do have to hold on with both hands. You can't commit one hand, otherwise it won't work. You do have to commit two, and the best way to do it is from the start. If you do it halfway through, you're gonna have to fight it a little bit, so it's a little bit hard. So if you'd like to stay straight, hold onto these black handles with two hands, and it's easiest if you do it from the start. You will have to fight it a little bit. There will be a little bit of wind resistance, not too much, nothing that you have to, use your muscles for, but just expect there to be a little bit of fight. On a day like today, I would highly recommend not holding onto those black handles, because when you're going 150 kilometers with all this cold air, it's very, very cold, and your eyes start to water, your mouth gets a bit, cold, a bit dry, and your nose might start to hurt a little bit. So if you would like to stay straight, if you feel more comfortable that way, you definitely can. But from experience, I have done this a couple of times. I would recommend not holding onto it today. If you guys would like to hold onto something else, apart from the black handles, you guys can hold onto the tether right here where it's stitched together. That's the perfect spot. If you hold up here, you're just going to drag this and it slows you down. You don't want to do that. So hold onto here where it's stitched together. When you do that, you will face backwards. During the first part of the zip line, you'll probably do a couple of spins. Nothing nauseating, nothing uncontrollable, but a couple of spins. And then once you're out into the valley away from the trees, you'll probably face backwards for the majority of the zip line. That's just how the air works, aerodynamics, just because your back is more aerodynamic than your front. But the views look exactly the same from behind than they do in front. Cool. If you guys are holding onto these black handles, it's really, really important that you let go of them as you go through our braking system. When's the braking system, you might ask? We have these big goalposts at the other end of our zip line. You can't miss them. I'll point them out to you guys are over there. But if you're holding onto those black handles, make sure you let go and lean back. You've got a really, 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 really long time to let go. So don't worry about not letting go in time. It's just important that you do let go before you go through those big white goalposts. If you don't, myself and Mason, who are our braking guides today, we're going to be shouting at you saying, let go, let go. If you hear that, we're not angry at you, we're not shouting at you, we just don't want you to get hit in the face. Because what happens if you go through the braking system holding onto these, it's going to hit you in the nose. Especially you've all got red noses today, so it's going to hurt even more. Like I said, it's really, really easy. Don't let that worry you. I'll point out to where the goalposts are. Just important that you do let go. Cool. You can take this one back. Once we are out here, guys, Eric's going to be attaching you guys to the zip line. Eric is very, very good at this. He's done it a lot. Don't worry if it feels loose or anything. He has done it on purpose. He's probably trying to save your wedgie. But he's going to be here. He's going to let you guys into the pin, tightening all of your harnesses, tightening your helmets. So if they feel loose, don't worry. That's what he's literally getting paid for to do today. Give you wedgies. So be nice to him. Careful what you say. Also, don't tell him you go for Carlton. He's actually from Canada. Yeah, cool. Once you guys are all attached, we're going to make a couple of radio calls, make sure it's all safe to go. And then once it is, we're going to open up the gates. Once we open up the gates, there's 4 steps. The best way to do it is walk down to the 4th step, sit down your harness. Once you do that, you'll feel all of the weight taken by your harness. And then from there, just lift up your feet. That's the most comfortable and easiest way to do it. Eric's going to walk you through it. If you guys want, you can jump, but make sure you go down to that 4th step, 4th or 3rd, depending how tall you are. You guys would definitely have to go to 4th step. Cool. Any questions? Cool. Remember the shoulder thing if you get cold hands, and the only other thing if you're holding onto those black handles to let go through the white goalposts. But I'll point those out to you just in a sec. We ready? Excited? Awesome. Let's do it, guys. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Keep warm? Hell yeah. Oh.
Prepare for guide on 11B. What's up, YouTube?
What's up,
Make sure to
YouTube?
like, subscribe. Smash that like.
Alright, I need to get myself prepared again.
Get the bell on.
Bell?
It's for your YouTube channel, dude.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the bell. Yeah.
notifications on.
Hey, guys. Back with another video. Like, comment, and subscribe. 11. Alright, guys. This is Eric. Be nice to him. Like I said, he is attaching you to the zipline. But,
Also very sensitive.
he's also been up here for, he'll be up here for about 10 hours today in the cold, so.
There's a heater over there, guys, if you're dying. Head on over. Slippers are warmer than my shoes by a long shot.
Oh, yeah. What's that?
How late do you guys do this into the year?
October 14th, we finish up. So, yeah, we don't usually do it in this colder weather, so enjoy. Yeah. I do have to stop myself, hence why I have this whole get up. You guys don't have to do anything like that, so don't worry about that. Cold, cold, cold.
Right. Wait. I should go on that side because I'm holding.
Whichever rider is mine, 11th, or I'm going to send visually as the last person to go down. So I don't know how you guys are split up into groups, but whoever's riding solo, you're going to go last, so maybe your group can wait until the end. Maybe you guys can go like 9, 10 or something, and you can go 11, so you don't have to don't go first and leave them alone here for 10 minutes.
Walk hands. Nice slippers.
Thanks, bro. I love launching 11 in slippers. It's my favorite thing.
Yeah.
I did it in the summer too on warm days. It's a closed-toed shoe.
Yeah.
Good enough for me.
Alright guys, so a couple of things. You will see those big white goalposts down the other end if you follow that line. Those are the goalposts that you need to let go of, the handles, before you go through that. Like I said, you have a really long time, but before you go through those big white goalposts, just make sure you let go if you're holding onto those handles. Other than that, I will see you guys later. These are also the steps. Just go down them and then fall. Hey, buddy. Oh, how you doing? Chilling, literally. Woo. Yeah. Good call. Oh. Oh, did you get your coffee?
Just getting it now. I got the heater going again.
Oh, nice.
Fixed it.